everyone, in this video we are going to learn about safety measures. Safety measures for encasing and fencing of machinery. Encasing and fencing of machinery in every factory, the following shall be securely fenced. Moving parts of prime mover and flywheel connected to it, the head race and tail race of water wheel and water turbine, any part of a stock bar projecting beyond the lathe headstock, parts of electric generator, motor, etc., parts of transmission machinery, dangerous parts of any other machinery. Safety measures about work on or near machinery in motion. Any part of machinery, if it is required to be examined while it is in motion, shall be examined only by a specially trained adult male worker wearing tight-fitting clothing. No woman or young worker shall be permitted to clean, lubricate, or adjust any part of moving machinery which involves a risk of injury. Safety measures about employment of young persons on dangerous machine. No young person shall work on a dangerous machine unless he has got sufficient training to work at that machine and he is under adequate supervision of an adult experienced worker or supervisor. Safety measures for hoist and lift. Every hoist and lift shall be of good mechanical construction, adequate strength, and sufficiently protected and fitted with gates and adequately maintained and periodically examined. Hoists and cranes meant for carrying persons shall have at least two ropes or chains separately connected with the cage. Each rope or chain with its attachment shall be able to carry weight of the cage together with its maximum load. Devices should be provided to support cage in the event of breakage of the ropes or chains. Safety measures for lifting machines. Lifting machines, chains, ropes, and lifting tackles, factory cranes, and other lifting machines such as crab, winch toggle, pulley block, etc., shall be of good construction, sound material, adequate strength, properly maintained, and thoroughly examined at least once a year. Safety measures for pressure plants. In pressure plants, it should be ensured that the working pressure of such a parts does not exceed the safe value. Safety measures for floors, stairs, and means of access to different places. It should be of sound construction, properly maintained, and provide with handrails. Safety measures for pits, sumps, opening in floors. Pits, sumps, opening in floors, etc. shall be fenced. Safety measures for excessive weights. Excessive weights, no person shall be asked to lift, carry, or move any load so heavy as to cause him injury. Safety measures for protection of eyes. To protect the eyes of workers from the flying particles such rivet cutting, scale removal, etc., or from exposure to welding rays, each worker shall be provided with effective screens of suitable goggles. Safety measures about precautions against dangerous fumes. No person shall be allowed to enter any confined space, chamber, tank, pit, etc., in which dangerous fumes are likely to be present so as to involve risk to the entering person. Safety measures for explosive or inflammable dust, gas. If the manufacturing process is producing dust, gas, fumes, or vapors which can explode on ignition, the plant should be effectively enclosed and such a dust, gas, fumes should not be allowed to accumulate. Safety measures about precautions in case of fire. Precautions in case of fire, every factory shall be provided with means as follows and others to help escape in case of fire. Fire warning signal, unlock doors and openings towards outside the workroom, free passageway and easily openable windows. I hope all of you understood the safety measures. Thank you.